Okay guys, just so you know, this was filmed in 1966. Filmed with a Nokia flip phone, and also I was in NASA and I was talking through a butthole the whole time. So now you know. Okay, hey guys, and what I mean by hey guys is, hey mom, thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching it, and please send it to my family in Poland so that I can get at least 4 views. Oh my god, thank you so much. So this is a vid of me putting self-tanner on my face, and well, you clicked on the link, so you know. Anyway, so here I am tying my hair in a ponytail because you guys need to see that. I'm gonna film a separate tutorial to how to achieve this look. Yes, achievements. Okay, this is me pointing at a bowl. My god, there's a glitch. What's going on? I love my low quality videos and life. Okay, this is my self-tanner, and this is me spritzing my self-tanner in a bowl, and I'm gonna show you how to mix self-tanner with tea tree oil. I put tea tree oil because I have problematic skin, and it's quite problematic to me, so in general, oh my god, I just smiled, that's so cringe. So I always put tea tree. Oh my god, I'm showing you guys how I mix it. Okay, I'm gonna explain everything later while I'm blending everything for 2 hours. Yeah, I'm showing you how to mix stuff in a bowl. Okay, so this is a beauty blender in case you've never seen one. This is quite revolutionary. Have you ever heard of one? Oh my god. Do you know about tutorials? Oh my god, am I the first? Okay, all jokes aside. So I'm using a beauty blender because I've used I was about to say oven mitts. I used to use the mitt that comes with the self-tanner, and it's never really even because I have acne-prone skin and I have acne scars, and so whenever I used to use oh god, I was about to say oven mitts again. Whenever I use the tanning mitt or my hands or even a makeup brush, it would never come up even because I have very fucked up skin. Obviously I had acne before and I have acne prone skin, and so if I use that, it's always blotchy, patchy, and it always seems like I have blackheads after because I'm rubbing it in my pores, and that's what comes with having fucked up skin. So you learn to compromise and adjust. It's all about adjusting. And so I feel with a beauty blender, that's the best technique, especially for acne prone skin and problematic skin. And so the tea tree oil really helps for me not to break out the next day, and also keeps my it doesn't clog my pores. So I've learned throughout the years of me doing this 3 to 4 times a week. Oh my god, this is me applying way too much, and you're gonna see in my face I'm gonna be oh shit, what the fuck do I do? Where do I put this? Yeah, throughout the years I learned that this is the best technique. And so also the fake bake self-tanner, I've used a lot of self-tanners, trust me, for me doing this a lot. This is the best one, especially for my face. I could use probably any other one on my body, I don't care, even if it looks a bit more orange or whatever. You don't want your face to look orange, so fake bake is actually really very pigmented, and it's not orange at all, and it's never patchy, it's always even. I use that Sephora shit, those Tanology drops, and Nothing compares to this one. I always go back to this one. It's probably my, I don't know, 25th bottle. So yeah, I always go back to this one. No matter how hard I try to find better, I still could not manage to find better than that. So yeah, blend your ears, your neck, your face, so that it all matches, obviously. I mean, is that obvious? At the end, I'm just like spritzing my beauty blender because I'm gonna do a bit of contour to give myself a bit of cheekbones and make my face look slimmer. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, this is my technique that I've developed throughout years. It's not the best one. It's just the one that I use, and that's it. Not bad. That's how you sculpt your face. Oh my god, look at me looking at the screen, blending my jaw, and then like looking at myself again to make sure I'm still in the frame. Oh my god, I'm so pleased with myself. Look at me looking at myself and turning and showing you my scars. And my forehead. God, my forehead, you gotta sculpt that shit, don't you? Oh my god, like sculpt the fuck out of it. It's funny because I really tried to not curse in this video, but so there you go. I know, like, I sound super unmotivated. It's just like I didn't want to like caption everything, like every single step. I just wanted to go freestyle because like I was so tired of like editing everything. I hate editing. Oh my god. Good for me, but not good for you. Please, mom, bear with me. And so yeah, blend your neck, obviously. Blend it all out. Oh yeah, turn, Margot, because like people are gonna notice that. Oh my god, look at me being like pleased with myself. Oh my god, give them those angles. Oh my god, look at that glow. Oh my god. And this angle and that angle. Tilt your head. Wow. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for like watching this and laughing at me, with me, and judging me. Because if you're not gonna do it, someone has to, and that person will be me. Okay, cool. Thanks so much. Bye.